The problem with most leather repair systems on the market today is that they use solvent paints that take ages to dry and are very smelly and toxic. Get top-notch quality repair work on worn-out and damaged car leather without replacing it. What sets MrCAP LeatherRestore treatment apart from regular treatments is the high-quality waterborne acrylic emulsions that offer excellent durability, quick dry time, and are environmentally friendly. MrCAP LeatherRestore penetrates the surface, fills significant and minor imperfections, and maintains an excellent soft and flexible finish. LeatherRestore by MrCAP will restore cracks, wear, and tear for a much longer refreshed appearance. Get thorough cleanup and color correction done on any stained leather part. Whether it's cigarette burns or chemical-induced damages, MrCAP LeatherRestore got you covered. LeatherRestore treatment by MrCAP is particularly for damaged and cracked leather and vinyl interior trims. Restore your car value and stand out again.